Welcome to Speed Zone, your ultimate destination for in-depth vehicle reviews. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Isuzu 9-seater Hiace, a van that has been generating a lot of buzz in the passenger and business vehicle market. Whether you're looking for a reliable transport option for family or a commercial solution for your business, the 2025 Isuzu Hiace aims to meet a wide range of needs. Let's break down what this van has to offer, starting with its design, performance, and a quick peek inside. The first thing that catches your attention is the exterior design of the 2025 Isuzu Hiace. It's clear that Isuzu has aimed for a modern yet practical aesthetic, keeping functionality at the forefront while introducing subtle design upgrades that appeal to a broader audience. The front end features a bold grille that seamlessly blends with the angular LED headlights, giving it a sharper, more aggressive look compared to previous models. The redesigned bumper with integrated fog lamps adds a touch of sophistication while maintaining its utilitarian purpose. From the side, the Hiace retains its signature boxy shape, optimized for maximum interior space. Large sliding doors on both sides ensure easy entry and exit, especially useful in tight urban spaces or when you're loading passengers or cargo. The 17-inch alloy wheels not only enhance its stance but also promise durability, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on highways. At the rear, sleek taillights and a wide-opening tailgate emphasize its practicality. The overall build quality feels robust, reflecting Isuzu's focus on durability and long-term reliability. Under the hood, the 2025 Hiace is powered by a 2.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine. This engine delivers a commendable 174 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque, providing ample power for a fully loaded van. Whether you're driving through crowded city streets or climbing steep inclines, the engine's performance feels smooth and responsive. The 6-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts, while the improved suspension system enhances ride comfort for both the driver and passengers. Fuel efficiency is another strong point for the Hiace, which is crucial for those using it as a daily workhorse or for long road trips. Isuzu claims an impressive fuel economy of around 13 km per liter, which is competitive in this segment. During acceleration, the engine noise is well muted, indicating that Isuzu has worked on improving cabin insulation. Handling is surprisingly nimble for a vehicle of this size. The steering feels light, making it easy to maneuver in urban areas, while still offering enough feedback for a confident drive on highways. Moving inside, the cabin is all about practicality with a touch of comfort. The dashboard design is simple yet functional, featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls are well placed, ensuring they are easy to access without distracting the driver. The driving position is elevated, offering excellent visibility, which is a must for a vehicle of this size. Passenger comfort has been prioritized with spacious seating for 9. The fabric upholstery feels durable, designed to withstand daily wear and tear, though some may wish for a leather option in higher trims. Each seat offers decent cushioning, and there's ample legroom and headroom, even for taller passengers. Rear air conditioning vents ensure that all passengers remain comfortable, regardless of their seating position. Storage spaces are abundant, with compartments for smaller items and cup holders placed strategically throughout the cabin. Safety features are another area where the 2025 Isuzu Hiace shines. The van is equipped with advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and multiple airbags. The addition of rear parking sensors and a 360-degree camera makes parking and reversing this large vehicle much less intimidating. In conclusion, the 2025 Isuzu 9-seater Hiace delivers a well-rounded package for anyone looking for a reliable, spacious, and efficient van. Its updated design, impressive performance, and practical interior make it a strong contender in its category. Whether you're a family person, a business owner, or a tour operator, this van has something to offer. Stay tuned to Speed Zone for more in-depth reviews, and let us know in the comments if you'd consider the new Isuzu Hiace as your next vehicle.